Hi, let's draw a Christmas stocking using Crayola markers. Using watercolor paper, first I'm going to draw a small little horizontal line near the top of my watercolor paper. And then I'm going to draw a line down with a small curve, and then I'll curve back around and back up to meet my first line. Kind of looks like a J or a sock. Now I'm going to add a little more red, a thicker line with my marker on the edge because I'm going to paint with that marker. What we're going to do is you'll grab a wet paintbrush with water, and then you'll just start moving that marker ink around. Crayola markers are water-based, so you can treat them just like watercolors. That's right, you can paint with a marker. Now I'm going to grab the black marker, and not all black markers are going to be black ink. They may be gray, they may be a little purple based, green based, blue based. Just depends on which marker you're using. So I'm going to add the black outline with a little bit of a teal blue, and just to create my fuzzy furry top of my stocking. If the stocking color is still wet, it might bleed, so you can either let that dry or just be extra careful. That's how easy it is to draw and paint a Christmas stocking using Crayola markers. We hope you enjoyed this easy lesson, and we'll hit subscribe so you know when we add more to our Christmas playlist. But most importantly, that you forget not the Lord in this season and every day.